What if there was a company that was about to disrupt how we shop online by doubling your buying power? What if that company allowed you to buy the same products you normally buy at wholesale price just because you swiped a Visa card? And what if that same company gave you the opportunity to earn a percentage every time that Visa card was swiped from people all over the country? Would you want to know about it? Introducing the Transact card. We are a positive social impact for banking, and this card is unlike any rewards card. Every time you spend $1, you earn a matching Z-Buck. For example, let's say you go grocery shopping, and instead of paying with your Capital One, Discover, or American Express card, which will normally give you 2 to 5% cash back or points, you pay with the Transact card. You spend $50 and you receive 50 Z-Bucks. You arrive at home and you realize you need a new pair of Nike shoes. So you look online at the most popular sites and you see the sneakers you like for $100. Then you look on the Transact Card's e-commerce site called the Z Club and you find that exact same sneaker for $100. No, not Overstock.com, not last year's models, but the exact same shoe. But because you earn 50 Z-Bucks, you can apply those 50 Z-Bucks and get the price down to $50. That's right, 50% savings. Hey, what about diapers, dry goods, clothing, products from Nike, Ralph Lauren, Samsung, Calvin Klein, and Columbia, to name a few, all with the ability to save an average of 50% on all brands. They're also doing flash sales where different products will randomly pop up on the Z Club, and all you pay for is shipping. How about a vacation at an exclusive resort or even a cruise where your money is no good? By paying for things you already pay for, your Z-Bucks will accumulate and allow you to travel as well. So, hey, what's the cost of this Visa card? Just $25. And the first time you swipe the card, you earn 500 Z-Bucks. And when you renew, you earn another 500 Z-Bucks. It gets better. For anyone that becomes a customer during the pre-launch, you earn double Z-Bucks on every purchase the entire year. There's also a referral program where customers will receive 500 Z-Bucks for every person they refer. For the entrepreneurs, there's an unmatched affiliate program where you can become a digital branch and earn commissions every time someone swipes their Visa card. You also have the opportunity to bring on other affiliates around the country where you can benefit from a large pool of customers all swiping their Visa card. But wait, there's more. There are 5 other ways you can earn in addition to the transaction swipes to build long-term passive income. So get back to the person that shared this video with you, and let's go change the world one swipe at a time.